Engines humming in the dawn's light, brothers riding, feeling just right. Path unwinding, hearts entwined in this ride called Eid we find. Open highways under big skies, kindred spirits ties that time ties. What if it's one if I dream? Say you'll go forth the right dream. Wheels spinning, tails mile on mile, brotherlies are keeping mass toll. Together we roll, the bond never ends. On these sacred roads we ride as friends. Riding through the Emirates, the spectacle so grand. 200 hearts as one across the golden sand. Celebrating Eid with charity at hand. Eid Brotherhood right across this blessed land. Pavement glows neath setting sun. Through Sharjah's grace our wheels they run. Dubai's lights a beacon bright, guiding us through the gentle night. Together strong we share this feast, to aid the poor, the last not least. Underneath the crescent moon we find our spirits soar. Unity in every turn, our bonds grow evermore. In every throttle's twist a vow to help restore a right for peace, for love, through every road we tore. Riding through the Emirates, a spectacle so grand. 200 hearts as one across the golden sand. Celebrating Eid with charity at hand. Eid Brotherhood right across this blessed land. Sun, from Fujairah's mountain grace to Al-Ain's ancient tranquil space. Every mile a story told, every scene a sight to hold. In brotherhood we all unite, for Eid's warm glow our guiding light. As we'll slow down, our journey ends, but in our hearts the road extends. Eid Brotherhood forever binds, in desert tracks true friendship finds. Riding on till next we meet, in harmony our hearts will beat. On Emirates roads together ride, Eid Brotherhood our lasting pride.